What's up guys, Kevin Rogers, owner-operator of On Point Pro Styles Window Tinting in Gainesville, Georgia. We have a brand new 2024 BMW X5. We're gonna do the front windows on it in High-Tech's Classic 20%. Now, there's some prep work we have to do first. You'll notice on this car, this has some pretty big moldings, plastic moldings on the inside of the windows. Fear not, they're very loose. They're pretty wide open on the inside. I try to take nothing apart, so I'm not going to. And then these have felt seals, so we are gonna tape the felt. So first thing we wanna do, cover the door panels, protect our customer stuff. We've got these high-tech door panel covers. When you install these, you want the window up a little bit. We're just gonna curl the corner back just a little bit so it doesn't grab that second steel. Put it in at an angle and drop it straight down. Comes with a pack of 2 so that you can extend it all the way across the panel. There we go, got it down below that other suite. On a BMW X5, what's kind of cool is this will actually slip underneath that speaker nicely, and you've got pretty much full coverage. I'm not gonna lock the door, but if I lock the door, I could slide this one over a little bit further. But for intensive purposes, I'm not gonna do that. So let's roll the window down. And we'll tape the felt. So what I like to use is, this is Tyvek brand seal tape. There's another brand that a lot of people, it's a red roll that you can find, I guess, on Amazon. But it's super sticky, which is why we use it. I used to use painter's tape, so just something to cover the felt seal. So I'm just gonna put this here temporarily, cut it with my knife. We need another piece for the front, obviously a lot shorter. Take this, and we're just gonna put it just inside the seal, just to cover the felt. Some people go all the way around and all that good stuff. I choose not to. I don't feel it's necessary, at least for me. And then we'll put our piece in the front, right on top of the felt, and then just kind of stick it to the side, and we'll do the other side. So we're gonna just slide it right inside the seal, press it down with our finger, make sure the corners are pressed down so it doesn't lift when you roll the window up. Same thing on this side. It's really sticky, so it sticks to your finger, and you try to pull your finger out, and it sticks to the tape, pulls the tape off. So just make sure the corners are down, it's stuck down, roll it back, and then we'll remove this after the tint's done. Rolling it up as it comes off the plotter is another good idea to help manage the film. And we'll do the same thing. Good example of the blade having a spot that it missed. Had I been tearing down into the pattern, I'd have ruined this pattern. So always make sure that you're tearing kind of up and away in case there is a spot like that and it wants to rip. You don't want to rip your pattern. Same thing, put it on the car. Whoop, I gotta roll the window up. All right. Same thing, just different side. All right, now we shrink them. Got my heat gun, turn it on hot, hot, hot. Let it warm up and get hot. We've only got a couple fingers here, so we're gonna slam those down real quick. I'm gonna blow some along the edge. Sometimes you'll get some that'll pop up. That's a single shrink. I like to double shrink. It's sort of insurance. So I'm just gonna lift it, start warming up the middle, look for it to start tightening up. Lay this back down, and then just tighten the bottom. So that's what I call a double shrink. And double ready. All right, same thing here, just a couple fingers. Oops, careful of the car. Then the double shrink. We're gonna add some heat, get it to tighten up along the bottom. We'll lay this back out and then just reheat and heat all this back out. Or tightened up is all we're doing. So now that's a double shrink, no chance of fingers. We'll move it off of here, put it on the peel boards, and we'll get ready to install. So rinse and repeat. Passenger side's done. I'm gonna use the same methods on this side, so let's get to it. go, just like that. They look pretty intimidating, the X5s, because of these seals. They're not that bad. It's a matter of finesse. You saw it pulls out from the top. That's normal. Don't keep working it back in and pulling out, working it back in. Let it naturally pull out, do your thing, get it all done, and then just tuck the top corner in back in just like you would the sides and bottom. And as you can see, there's no contaminants, there's no creases. Looks great. We went with Hi-Tech's, again, classic charcoal in the 20%. Looks phenomenal, it's a great match. And as you can tell, I mean, don't let these X5s intimidate you by the size of the moldings. I'm a two-stager through and through. I do once in a while take things apart if I absolutely have to, but if I don't, I won't. And in this one you saw a little bit more of a struggle than a normal car, but super easy. So really wide, easy to get in. That's it for this one. Thanks for watching. Catch you on the next one.